Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming, guys. How are you all doing today? If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. Okay, we film about DIY natural ingredient for skin and for face. All right, so guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of your dark spot. Okay, all right guys, so let's jump into the video. So guys, the first thing that we'll be needing today is our cucumber. So I'm going to go ahead and slice my cucumber. Cucumber is known and is good to reduce your acne. It helps to combat your premature aging. Cucumber is good to smooth your skin irritation, and it provides a base for hydration. Okay, cucumber is also good to reduce dark spots. All right, so guys, after slicing, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my blender, which we are going to be blending today. We are going to be needing the juice of the cucumber. We still have a lot of things to combine to it. Okay, just keep washing. All right, so guys, I'm going to be blending now. After blending, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is to use my filter. I'm going to extract out the water, the juice. So after extracting out the juice, the next thing that we'll be needing is our egg white. Okay, you all know that egg white is good to tighten your skin, is good to reduce your dark spot, is good for acne prone skin. Egg white can help close pores and get rid of dark spots and acne. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be bringing out the white that is inside. Okay, then after that we step it aside. The next thing that we'll be needing is our Vaseline. Vaseline is good to moisturize your skin, so I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Okay, then after adding 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, the next thing that I will do is I'm going to take my cucumber. Then I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of cucumber juice to my Vaseline. Then after that, I'm going to mix together. Mix until it's very well dissolved. After mixing together, the next thing that we will be adding, mix very well guys. Then the next thing that we'll be adding is our egg, which we keep aside before. Then we are going to add it, pour it to our cucumber juice and the Vaseline. Then you mix very well. Then after that, we are going to be adding our coffee, which is good. Applying coffee directly to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunburn, which is sunburn spot, reduce and fine lines. Okay, and it's also good to reduce your wrinkles and dark spots as well. Then after that, let's mix together. Okay, after mixing very well, the next thing that we'll be doing is I'm going to show you guys how to use this on your face and on your neck. Okay, you can see it's a very good home remedy that will help you to get rid of your skin. Can you see that guys? This is so good and it's so nice. Okay, all right guys, please do consider to subscribe to this channel. Then I'm going to be seeing you all next time. Please guys, watch this video to the end so you know how to apply it on your face and on your... So guys, here is my cafe dark spots remover. I'm going to be using it for my face now. I'm going to use my hand.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.
So guys, after using it on your face, the next thing, if you want to use it on your neck, it's going to help you to clear your wrinkles and anything that is not good from your neck and your face. Okay, yes, I just rub it on my face now, and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, use warm water to wash it off. Okay, then after washing it off, go ahead and use your body cream, face cream, any other thing. Is going to keep your face hydrated. It's going to help you with dark spots and dark knuckles. You all can see that my face, the dark spots on my face is really going gradually because of the pimples I have before. So it came with a lot of dark spots and sunburn. So yeah, so these are really helping me out. It's helping my dark spots to clear, and my neck is really getting clear. Everything about my face is really getting clear, and I am super duper excited about that. Okay, all right, go ahead and use it. These are natural ingredients that I have at home. It does not contain side effects. There's nothing that is going to do to your body. It's not going to do anything to your body. It's just a fruit, mix of fruit. Cafe, everybody drink cafe. Fruit, cucumber is a natural fruit that you can clear your kidney and your liver with. So what is good for your body, you drink it, is also good for your face when you use it. Okay, all right, thank you all so much. I'm going to leave mine for 10 minutes, then allow it to dry. Then after 10 minutes, I'll go and take my shower. Then I will wash it off with warm water. Okay, all right guys, please do consider to subscribe, to whenever we upload a video you will be the first to be notified. Thank you all for the love so far. I'm so happy and I'm super excited. God bless you all. Really good. Bye guys.